Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be my Saturday morning beach report for North Naples, Florida. I'm down at the south end of Vanderbilt Beach, down by the Turtle Club restaurant and Vanderbilt Beach Resort. It's north of Vanderbilt Beach Park. Got some rain coming ashore from out in the Gulf. The tide's looking a little higher than normal. We've got quite a ways to go before high tide here. Look how high that water is here by the Turtle Club. High tide's around 12:15 here. Kind of a narrow beach this morning. I'm going to take you down to Vanderbilt Beach Park, see what it looks like down there. Water temperature down a degree, down to 77. Or, I'm sorry, 87. Ooh, 77, but on the cool side, down to 87. Very churned up, cloudy, the water's cloudy. A lot of extra serotonin in the air though, with these waves. I guess that's something positive. We might get the edge of that rain. I don't know. It's kind of moving to the northeast, coming out of the southwest. Got some young men over here with their boards trying to catch these little waves. I don't know if they're having much success. We don't get a lot of big waves here, only with tropical storms and hurricanes. The Gulf is usually rather calm. Had a nice beach walk this morning. You might want to go back and check out the replay of this morning's live feed. I actually took everybody along for a walk through my neighborhood to the beach, through the neighborhood of Naples Park, if you want to see what that looks like. Check out the replay of that. Naples Park is a sought-after neighborhood, close to the water and no HOAs. Everybody loves it. Oh, I thought we were going to get a wakeboarder here. He's waiting. Let's see if there he goes. He's waiting for a wave to come in. He's got his eye on it. Is he going to catch it? Oh, almost. Wasn't a big enough wave. Let's go down to Vanderbilt Beach Park and see what it looks like there. Ooh, lots of sun here at Vanderbilt Beach Park. Earlier there was hardly anybody here. The rain was keeping them away. I think it's going to be a good morning for the beach. I think once this storm cell passes out here, and I don't even know if we're going to get any rain from it. It's going to be cloudy most of the day. So what? You know what? I'm at the beach. That's all that matters. That's the Ritz-Carlton there on the left. It's nice seeing people out here on Saturday morning enjoying themselves. This month, September, is our quietest month when it comes to population here in Florida, Southwest Florida. Oh, the sun's going behind the clouds. I'm sure you can get some good deals on a room if you want to stay here on the beach. I highly recommend that Vanderbilt Beach Resort. Yeah, we lost our sun for now. I think we are going to see a little rain here in a few minutes, but like I said, just the edge of it here. It's like just the northern edge of this storm. Alright, that's gonna do it for this morning's beach report. It's a little too rough for me to stand out in the water here with my camera and the gimbal. But you get the idea. Again, hit that share button. A lot of folks call Vanderbilt Beach their home in the wintertime, and they'd love to see what's going on. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Tally-ho, everyone. Tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your lives. And God bless our wonderful, beautiful, and amazing country. The place that I so proudly call my home. God bless America. One nation under God. Keep her in your prayers. It's starting to rain. Here comes the rain. Ah! Perfect timing. Tally-ho. Tally-ho.